Welcome back to Sunny Channel. In last video, we laid the groundwork by looking at some of the basic components of our elevators. Now, it's time to dig deeper into the assembly process. The elevator motor is the powerhouse of the system. It provides the necessary power to lift and lower the elevator car. Our motors are energy efficient and designed for long-term, reliable operation. The control panel is the brain of the elevator. Our control panels are user-friendly and feature advanced technology for easy operation. They are also connected to a remote monitoring system. Once the elevator is fully assembled, it undergoes a series of rigorous tests. We test for things like load-bearing capacity, speed accuracy, and the proper functioning of all safety systems. This ensures that our elevators meet the highest quality and safety standards before they are delivered to our customers. The assembly process of Sunny Elevators products is a combination of precision, quality, and safety. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to working with you.